Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of All Things Art and Craft. I am Abiola, and I want to really appreciate you for clicking on this video. You are most welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing something interesting with you. I made this number 5. Got to see, this is beautiful. I made this for my boy's birthday like 2 weeks back. So I said let me come and share with you because I've received some questions about this on my Facebook page. So if you like this too and you want to learn, keep watching, don't go anywhere, and I'll be back shortly. So friends, I'll be introducing to you everything you need to put this together. But before then, I want to appreciate Jennifer Maker for sharing this SVG file. So I got this on our blog at jennifermaker.com, and you may also want to go grab this first. Then you may also want to watch a video on how she put this together first on the Cricut design space. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. These are some of the supplies you need for the project. A cardstock, I'm using the 65 pounds because of its flexibility. A double-sided tape, a green mat, which is the standard grip mat. I'll be introducing more supplies to you as we progress. So you want to put that on the green mat and ready to be sent to the machine to cut. So here I have my cut already done. So you can choose any color of your choice, and I already did everything I have to do on the Cricut design space first. I did the scoring, I did the attachment and every other thing. So you can check Jennifer's Maker's blog as I said. So I'll be doing the front panel first, the upper panel. So from there I'll just try fold my score lines, so I'll have a very nice project at the end. So after scoring, you want to fold your score line with something like a card, or this I am using a scraper. Just want to do you, and then make sure the fold is clean, then prepared for the project. Before I start putting this together, I want to show you the previous one I made. This was my very first block letter that I made. So I want to show you something that will really help you when you are doing this, so you don't make the mistake I made. So your 5, the front panel, your 5 want to be upside down. Then when you are joining this, you want to make sure you check all the signs. The signs really made it so easy. So you just have to watch out. The square sign will go with the square. So when you put that on it, you know the next one to attach will be the square, the one that has the square sign. So you want to make sure that you follow that, then you'll be good. So I have the square there, then the plus sign, there are so many signs that you just need to follow. So now I'm starting with the one that has the square sign. So I'll be putting the double-sided tape on that. So what you also have to figure out first is where to start. For the 5, you start with the square sign. I think that one is settled, so you just put it there and you put it inside. When you put your 5 upside down, you want to put the other panel inside, so it will form like I am doing. So it comes up for the front panel. I hope you understand my explanation. This is not too difficult if you follow the shapes and the signs. Just go with that and you'll be fine. So I'll just attach those together, and I'll add as much as I need the double-sided tape. to just give me the perfect folding and adhering. So now I'm off to the equal sign. So I will be looking for the one that also has the equal sign. Then I will attach that to the main 5. Yes, so that is the one that has the equal 5. I'll just be folding it a little bit so I can have it. And as you can see, that part is curvy, so that's why that is having a kind of slit. So you'll be able to put that together. So you want to make sure that is folded very well, and then add the double-sided tape to the inside. So I prefer using double-sided tape, but it got to a point I ran out of that, so I got my glue. I don't really like the glue because it makes it wet and it will not dry instantly, and you just have to be holding that. But I have no choice. I made use of that for the purpose of this video. Yes, so keep watching, and then if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And if you want me to do a personal tutorial, I'm always available to do that. And then you can check in the description box below where you get supplies and some other things you need for your Cricut journey. So I'm just trying to put that together on the number 5. That is the most challenging part. Getting this curve is the most challenging part of the number 5, but once you get it, you are good to go. So if you are going to be making the number 5, you can just follow this video, get everything you need, and follow. It will be easy for you like that. So I'll be making some other numbers and letters because I have a lot of birthdays coming for my kids and then for friends. I'll be making other numbers, so you may also want to watch out for that. So if you have any requests too, don't forget to leave it in the comment section, the number you want me to make. I will gladly do that and share with you guys. So I'm almost done with the front panel. I just have one more to install, and that would be all for the front panel. As you can see, it's coming together really nice. I follow the signs. The last one is the circle, and I will connect it with the circle that I first installed on the number 5. So it was the circle that I started with, and I'm going to be ending with that. And at that other corner, I think is a triangle, so I'll also just add the glue and attach that to the other triangle that I was coming with. Yeah, so that is it. And make sure you are holding it. If you are using a glue, make sure you hold it a little bit so it's adhering. Yes, so that is all for the front panel. As you can see, I have my second panel here. The back panel. I did this off camera not to waste your time, so just put them all together. As you can see, it came out really nice. And I'll be adding my accent pieces, so I also cut this with the Cricut. But what I did was I printed out the Minecraft pattern, because the birthday theme was a Minecraft one, so I printed it out. So that was what I used to cut. So I'll be using a foam mounting tape for this, so it will give me that 3D effect that I wanted to have. So I just cut it into pieces, then put it all around my accent piece like so. I need to let you know that you can also cut all of this with scissors. You just need a PDF file, which is also on Jennifer's Maker's blog. So just go grab that, but it will take more time than you having a machine, and it will not be as perfect as this is, even though this is not too perfect, but it's better than cutting with scissors. So that is it. I'm done adding the accent and it's coming out better. So I want to add some brown effect because of the theme, so I will be cutting out some of this cardstock. So that was the cake topper I also made. If you want me to make a video about that, let me know in the comment section. So I went to get more double-sided tape for this purpose. So I just added this double-sided tape, cut that into pieces, then I started adhering to the bottom part of my 3D number. And lastly, I want to add some of the Minecraft characters. So I'll be doing a print and cut. So I printed this, so I'll be sending to the machine to cut for me. So this is a cardstock too, so the machine will cut every single pieces out, and here I have it cut out. I got the SVG file online, like on her website. It's also for free. If you want it, I can share with you. Let me know in the comment section. So I have all the pieces out, so I will just attach them around, and I will also be used the foam mounting tape for this. So I got another one too. I ran out of the one I was using before, so I needed to pick this from my local Dollar Tree. So I want to maximize that, so I'll cut that into pieces as much as possible. So just attaching that around the 3D number. As you can see, it's coming out really nice, better than where we started. I'm trying to move that around to see the best position for that, and we finally found a place to put it. So that is it. My boy was in love with this. He was over the moon, and he really appreciated it. And so that is it about my 3D letter. So before I go, I want to quickly share one of the ways you can make use of this. I also made the number 1, so I'll be adding this chocolate as you see me do. You can add a bunch of things into this. That is why I love this SVG file the most, because you can add some things in there as gifts, and it's good for decoration. So for my boy, I added some Minecraft Legos, I added some Hot Wheels, I added plush toys, I added chocolate, and he was really happy. Once again, thank you, Jennifer, for sharing this file with us. And friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please consider subscribing to this channel so you can receive more of this content. And don't forget to give this video a like, check other videos for you to learn more about Cricut, and leave your comment. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section. Is this what you can take your time to do? So thank you so much once again for watching, and this is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness because it's in your hands. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.